Mumbai Police recently announced that they were looking into a major international racket involving social media marketing companies that create and operate fake profiles and engage in dishonest business practices. This came into light when the singer Bhumi Trivedi approached the Commissioner of Mumbai Police. Someone had created her fake Instagram profile and generated fake chats showing her negotiating deals. This was done to get her fake account verified. The crime branch then looked into this and arrested the 20-year-old Abhishek Daude, who works for a website called followerscard.com that allegedly provides fake followers to Instagram users for a fee. A first of its kind special investigation team has been formed to probe social media marketing businesses operating in violation of the Indian Penal Code and the IT Act. According to reports, this investigation team has found at least 54 companies operating in India that are involved in creating fake profiles and fake identities. After interrogating the arrested Abhishek Daude, it was found that he had provided over 5 lakh fake profiles for at least 176 accounts. So now a question that comes to my mind is, what about a fake profile that doesn't impersonate anyone? There's no specific law as such in India that deals with the cases involving only the buying and selling of fake accounts. From an ethical perspective, it surely is wrong, but in the eyes of the law, there are no provisions that specifically deal with this. Now let's talk about bots. A bot is a software application that is programmed to do certain tasks. Bots are automated, which means they run according to their instructions without a human user needing to start them up. Bots often imitate or replace a human user's behavior. According to the investigation team, many of the fake accounts operated by these marketing companies were being run by bots. Bots inflate the follower counts, likes, as well as comments. Now the question arises, even if a fake profile is discovered, who does the police go after? There would be a lengthy and technical process to go about this, where the police approach Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Getting information from these platforms is neither an easy or a quick process. This is because social media platforms try to verify if the request is strictly legal or if the police is exceeding its scope of powers. The popular Indian rapper Badshah was called in for questioning by the crime branch in relation to the fake followers racket. Officials said that he confessed to having bought 7.2 crore views for Rs 72 lakh for his song Pagal Hai in a bid to set a world record. A 2019 report by London-based Institute of Contemporary Music Performance had named actors Deepika Padukone and Priyanka Chopra Jonas among the 10 global celebrities with maximum fake followers on Instagram. As much as 48% and 46% of their respective followers were operating bot accounts, according to the analysis. In 2018, Instagram said it would begin removing inauthentic likes, follows, and comments from accounts that use third-party apps to boost their popularity. The company has built machine learning tools that help identify accounts that use these services and remove the inauthentic activity. Since this has become a legal issue, social media platforms are under even more pressure to stop these fake profiles by building artificial intelligence to monitor and safeguard their platforms.